Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your PNC debit card. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, take your new PNC debit card and confirm it is the correct card with your name on it. Check the sticker on the front of the card because it often shows the activation phone number or website. Find your 4-digit PIN mailer if it arrived separately, and keep it private. Make sure you have your social security number and contact details ready in case the system asks for verification. Choose the activation method that is easiest for you: phone, online banking, or the PNC mobile app. If you want to activate by phone, call the number printed on the sticker or the back of your card. When the automated system answers, select the option for debit card activation. Enter your card number when prompted, using the keypad on your phone. Confirm your identity by entering the last 4 digits of your social security number if requested. Set or confirm your PIN if the system gives you that option, and never share it with anyone. Wait for the confirmation message that your card is activated before you hang up. If you prefer online activation, open a secure browser and go to PNC.com. Click Sign On and log in to your PNC online banking account. If you have never enrolled, select Enroll in Online Banking and complete the registration first. After signing in, go to the menu and look for Cards, Card Services, or Manage Debit Card. Select your new debit card from the list if you have more than one card. Choose Activate Card and follow the on-screen prompts exactly. Double-check that the card number shown matches the card in your hand before confirming. Submit the activation request and wait for the success message on the screen. For mobile activation, install the official PNC mobile app from the Apple App Store or Google Play. Open the app and sign in with your PNC online banking user ID and password. Tap the menu and locate Card Services or Manage Cards. Select your PNC debit card and tap Activate to begin the process. Complete any security step, such as a one-time code sent by text or email. Create or confirm your PIN inside the app if you are prompted to do so. After activation, make a small purchase or check your account to confirm the card works properly. Turn on transaction alerts in the app to help you track purchases and spot fraud faster. If activation fails, contact PNC customer service using the number on the back of your card for help. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.